sir. All right, let us do driving destinations, and today it's going to be Route 66 in Texas.
Now, almost everybody has heard, if you ever drive cars or anything, you know what Route 66 is. You know, the highway.
Well, it doesn't exist anymore, but
well,
yes.
it exists in pieces, but, you know, it went from Chicago out to California.
Yeah.
It was how people got across the country for years, and it comes through Texas as well as several other states. Now, I will admit up front, it's only 178 miles of it's in Texas, but there's a lot of stuff. No, that's all. That's all there ever was.
I see.
So the first thing you're going to know, everybody's kind of heard of the Cadillac Ranch near Amarillo. It's one of the Route 66 most iconic stops. It was created in 1974 by a group of artists. It features 10 vintage Cadillacs buried nose first into the ground. Travelers are encouraged to bring their own spray cans to leave their marks, making it an ever-changing canvas of color. So the attraction symbolizes freedom, creativity, and the road trip spirit. Now, the next stop is going to be the Dewdrop Inn in Shamrock, Texas. Now, this is a shining example of Art Deco architecture along Route 66. This was built in 1936. The building originally housed a cafe and a gas station. Been restored to its former glory, and it now serves as a visitor center and museum. It's got bold neon signage and unique design that made it a model for Ramon's House of Body Art in Pixar's Cars movie.
Oh, yeah.
Now, today it represents both history and the modern nostalgia of the Mother Road. Now, up in Adrian, Texas, it's the midpoint of Route 66. Now, it proudly marks the midpoint, exactly 1,139 miles from both Chicago and Los Angeles. The Midpoint Cafe celebrates this designation, serving classic American comfort food, including the famous ugly crust pie. Now, travelers stop here for photos with the Midpoint sign and to experience the true heart of the Mother Road. Moving on to Vega, you're going to find the historic Magnolia gas station that's been restored in Vega, Texas.
I owned a Vega one time, actually two of them.
We'll see, you could have gone here and feel like you're right at home.
There's my Vega in Vega.
Now, it was built in the 1920s. The small station provided fuel and service for countless road travelers. Today, it's been rebuilt, and it stands as a historical landmark and photo opportunity representing the small-town charm that defines Texas stretch of Route 66. Moving on to Amarillo. Amarillo, they have a lot of neon and motor courts there, and it preserves Route 66 classic roadside culture with those vintage motor courts and neon signs and diners along the historic 6th Street district. Now, you can walk this stretch, and so it feels like you're stepping back in the golden era of American road trips with retro motels, antique shops, and quirky eateries along the route. Now, this is the welcome travelers just like they did years ago. So if you want to, there's a few more stops, but that's a quick look at Route 66 through the state of Texas.
I was at the Cadillac Ranch about 17 years ago because my Kylie, when she was born, I went there. I was on a business trip, and we went to Walmart, got shaker cans of paint. We went out there. You got a long walk from the road. It's probably to the front of this property here at Hemi Hideout. You got to walk out to the display. There's a path, and you jump up on them. You start painting them. Now, it's a little different. They've got like a building where you can go use the restroom, like a little gift shop stuff, just down the road. But it's not there on property. But yeah, I've been there. It's pretty neat. If you don't know what to expect, but they're just static Cadillacs in the ground.
Why not?
Why not? And tub out each one of them.
We have a very special guest coming your way.
We do.
Right after a very quick break here on the InWheelTime Car Talk Show. Stay with us.
You own a car you love. Well, why not let Gulf Coast Auto Shield protect it? Houstonian John Gray invites you to his state-of-the-art facility to introduce you to his specialist team of auto enthusiasts. We promise you'll be impressed. Whether you're looking to massage your original paint to a like-new appearance, apply a ceramic coating, install a paint protection film, nano-ceramic window tint, or new windshield protection called ExoShield, Gulf Coast Auto Shield is where Houston's car people go. Curbed your wheels? Instead of buying new, why not have them repaired? How about a professionally installed radar detector? Gulf Coast Auto Shield does that too. Get a peek inside the shop and look at the services offered by getting online and heading to gcautoshield.com. Better yet, stop by their facility at 11275 South Sam Houston Tollway, just south of the Southwest Freeway, and get a personal tour. Gulf Coast Auto Shield is your place to go for all things exterior. Call them today, 832-930-5655 or gcautoshield.com. The award-winning InWheelTime Car Talk Show now reaches 5.3 million folks each year. Check us out on InWheelTime.com, the Odyssey radio app, YouTube, Facebook, and just about every other entertainment source out there, including our live broadcast every Saturday, 10 to noon Central Time. The InWheelTime Car Talk Show has informative automotive guest interviews, new car reviews, along with popular features including Jeff's Car Culture, the latest new cars, cruise-ins, and racing dates. It's InWheelTime.com. Join us.